Okay, Venom fans, we're back today again. I'm getting a lot of calls on a certain thing. Everybody thinks that their carburetor is leaking all the time out the vent hose in the bottom. The problem with that is, and the reason it's happening to you, is that in your carburetor, the float, if the float is stuck all the way up, what happens is it traps the gas in there and then pushes the gas through the vent. So I'm going to show you a quick, easy fix, especially if you're on the side of the road. You're leaking gas out of your carburetor, you don't know what to do. Okay, so in your Venom toolbox you have a little toolkit. It doesn't have to be anything specific. I'm going to use this screwdriver right here. It's just a regular Phillips head screwdriver, but it doesn't matter what the head is on it. We're actually going to be using this part right here. So we're going to go down and we're going to look at our carburetor. Right here is the float, right in here. So what happens is, if the float is stuck up inside there, gas will pour right out of here. See, and on our motorcycles, we have a sealed carburetor. And the reason for that is with EPA laws in Canada and California, they make us seal our carburetors so that nobody can do any adjustments to them or just mess around with them in any way, shape, or form. So what you do is, if you're stuck on the side of the road type thing, you got gas leaking out of here, first thing you're going to do is you're going to shut the gas off. That's just common sense, right? You don't want gas pouring out in the road or on in your hot engine. Shut your gas off. It's real easy to do. Then I just want you to take a little screwdriver or something a little heavy, not a hammer. Please don't use a hammer, because this is just cast, right? It's cast metal and aluminum. So what it'll do is just hit a couple taps like that. Just tap on it. Then try your gas again, turn it on. Most likely the gas is not going to pour out of there. If it does, again, simply shut it off and tap it a little harder. And what that'll do then is it's going to make the float pop back down. If you still have the issue with it when you get home, or it continuously keeps trying to do that, I want you to contact Venom, and we'll set you up with getting a new replacement carburetor. But this is a quick fix on the side of the road, or even if you're at home type thing. It's a real quick tap like that, then turn your gas back on, no leakage, and then your float is unstuck, and away you get to go again. So that's our video for today. If you have any ideas that you want to see in the next bunch of videos, please let me know. I would love to shoot any videos that our customers, or even just any viewers on YouTube would like to see with our product. Just let me know. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And happy motoring. Have a great day.